Step into the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.